Hi, in this video we're going to try our very first step of eradicating a virus, and this is the very first thing that you want to try whenever you catch a virus. And it's not guaranteed to work in all cases, and some it just is not going to happen. But we're going to do a system restore to an earlier date. So how you would do that is you go over here to your start menu, and you click start. Then you mouse over your computer icon here, and then you right click the computer icon, and then down here at properties you go ahead and click on properties, the normal way of clicking, left click, and then under system protection click that, and you'll be presented with system properties. Now you have an option here for system restore, and before we get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about creating a restore point. And you're going to want to do this every time before you download any kind of software into your system, especially if you plan on doing any web surfing or anything like that. And if you come down here and you hit create, this will allow you to create a system restore point. And I'm just going to call this September 28 because that's the date I made this. So I'm just going to create that, and then you'll wait for the system protection to come through. This is just for future reference after you have removed your virus through this or another video. But anyway, your step right here when you first get to this screen with a virus is going to be hit this system restore, and then it's going to bring up a window that says recommended restore date, and it's going to give you a recommended time of restore, or you can choose a different restore point. In this I'm going to demonstrate the different restore points, so I'm going to click that and I'm going to click next. And at this point it gives me this one that I just built, this September 28th and this September 27th, and it also gives me one from the last install of paint.net. Now you won't see all your restore points here, so the best thing to do is come right down here to this box and click on show more restore points, and this will show you all of the restore points that exist within the computer. Now the computer is supposed to do an automatic restore every week, and let's see, I got a 9/20 September 27th, which is the one I just did. So it'll probably do an automatic restore, quite possibly. Well, I don't know, there's these say manuals, but at any rate you can pick an earlier date that your computer was okay. So you want to pick it before the last thing you did. In this case I'm going to go back to September 27th. I've already recorded a video, and I'm not even sure if that video is still going to be on here if I do that. Now it's going to scan for any affected programs and drivers, and in my case I'm probably not going to have any because I haven't installed anything since I set that restore point last night. You just let it go through that, and while we're on the subject I'm going to go ahead and hit this restore at the end, but I'm going to wrap up this video prior to doing that because I doubt very seriously that my recording program is still going to be recording after I do this system restore. At any rate, this is the first step that you want to do. Okay, system restore. Any programs that were added since the last will be deleted, that were removed, restored, none detected, close. So confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event of the description in the field below. And that's what's going to happen. And the next thing you're going to do is hit finish. But at any rate, as I said before, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video because actually I can't do this. Because if I hit this finish, it's just going to wipe out the video that I just made. But trust me on this, if you hit finish, and I will annotate and resolve this video, because I'm going to run this afterwards to make sure. But provided I haven't changed anything up in this video, this is going to work just fine. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video and then finish everything up. Now, if you had seen the intro video that I made for this series, you know that I was asking if I give you a video and something is really helpful and you feel generous, What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to buy a computer that I can use to do nothing but catch viruses on this computer. If you're feeling like something I did helped and you're feeling generous and you want to help me help others, there's a link below where if you feel like it, you can donate via PayPal, anything from $1 on up. And I'm going to need a computer that I can catch viruses on and wipe out those viruses each and every time, and then reconfigure the computer to factory new status. I've been looking online. I've got a couple of monitors and a video card. The video card supports 2 monitors, so I can work on one and have the other one mirroring the first one and just have a camera trained directly on that. So if you want to contribute to that, there's a link down below. If not, it's not mandatory or anything like that. If this does not solve your issue, please move on along to the next video, or if you can see a video in the playlist, and I'm going to have a list of that or a way to reach it down below, just move on to the next one. With that all said and done, if this has helped you, please comment, rate, subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Thank you.